journey begins on the road into Baguio, surrounded by green fields, hillsides, and mountain views. As we climb higher into the Cordilleran region, the landscape starts to change quickly, the air feels cooler, and the roads become steeper, and the city slowly begins to reveal why Baguio became known as the summer capital of the Philippines. We soon arrive at the center of Baguio, where traffic, pedestrians, shops, and buildings all come together. This area is known as Session Road, one of the city's most important commercial streets. For generations, Session Road has been the heart of downtown Baguio, filled with restaurants, hotels, shops, students, and visitors moving through the city. In Baguio, jeepneys are more than transportation. They are a part of daily life, carrying people through the steep roads, busy neighborhoods, and the mountain routes that connect the city with nearby communities. This park was named after Daniel Burnham, an American architect and city planner who helped design Baguio in the early 1900s. Even today, this green space remains one of the places where locals and visitors come to slow down in the middle of the city. Nearby, families and children ride pedal carts around the park. Some carts are shaded with umbrellas, others are small enough for kids, and the whole area feels energetic and playful. Burnham Park is clearly not just a tourist spot. It is a weekend gathering place for families, students, and residents of Baguio. This mix of gardens, food, and local movement gives the park a very everyday feeling. Baguio's landscape is never flat for too long. Houses, hotels, roads, trees, and hills all layered together, reminding you that the city was built directly onto the mountains. Baguio is also called the City of Pines, but scenes like this also show why flowers and gardens are such a big part of its identity. Back near the street, the energy picks up again. Students, pedestrians, and families fill the crosswalk while officers help manage the flow. This is Baguio at its busiest, where the park, downtown, school, shop, and public transportation all meet in one place. There are open spaces, playground sections, trees, and people sitting together for snacks and small picnics. It's easy to see why Burnham Park remains such an important public space for the city. Continuing along the path, more food stalls appear besides the walkway. Ice cream, snacks, drinks, and quick bites are everywhere. The park feels less like a single attraction and more like a collection of small everyday experiences happening at once. The flower gardens become one of my favorite parts of this walk. Sunflowers, yellow blooms, white flowers, pink and reds fill the garden beds, adding brightness to the park, even on a cloudy day. In a city known for cool weather and mountain scenery, these small bursts of color make the park feel especially alive. Across another open area, students are practicing a coordinated stick dance. You never know when everyday life will suddenly turn into something cultural, musical, or completely unexpected. There's even a large pavilion that gives people a place to sit, rest, and watch the activity around them. If you enjoyed exploring Baguio with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure as we continue discovering food, culture, and hidden gems of the Philippines and beyond. This is Entropic Travel.